Hello, people. Uh, Today's video is about how to have glowing skin, and the tip that I'm about to give you will actually make you, like, I don't know, cringe a little. But people, it is effective. I mean, like, okay, recently I read this book called auto urine therapy, which basically, and it's so funny. The author, this book was, I think, released in the 19th. It's been almost like a good 2 decades, 3 decades, but it's kind of stood the test of time. And except that the author's not really, the author is a medical doctor who's chosen not to put his name on the book. It's just by an experienced physician, because the topic is such that it's awkward, right? So that's what auto urine therapy. But in this case, I will not suggest ingesting it. I'll suggest applying it on your face, because that will, it gives a certain glow to the skin that is okay. I don't know what I'm revealing on YouTube. Yeah, like seriously, but but yeah. So this is something that, and especially, in fact, this is a very well-known technique, right? A little amount of saliva that if you apply on, any sort of boil or pimple, it just subsides, because saliva is also a form of antiseptic. So that's what a little known tip this is. So people, if you all are courageous enough, you just need to, collect, when anytime you go to the loo, and preferably in the morning, the urine, and then just apply it on the face, and your skin will glow. So that's a magic tip. So here's wishing you all luck in trying and doing it. And but yeah, the results are worth it. Yeah. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.